Hey you all, welcome back to my video. So today has a theme and it's mocha. Coincidentally, everything that I'm using today, or majority of things I'm using today, have like a mocha themed. So I thought I'd call it a Mocha Smokey. Get it? Mocha Smokey? No? Whatever. So I'm basically doing this smoky eye with a little bit of gold. And if you guys want to see how I get this look, just please stay tuned. Hey y'all, so as you can see, my eyebrows are already done and I will go into the eye right now. This is my eye, and today we're going to be going into the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air is the color. So there's numbers on the back. As you can see, the numbers right here on the back, they correspond with the different colors. So I'm going to be, instead using the colors, I'm going to be using the numbers so you guys can follow along, okay? So I'm starting out with using my e.l.f. Cosmetic Concealer brush. It's just like a little fluffy blendy brush. And I'm going into the top transition color. So number 1. And I'm just going to put that right in my crease. Get a little more, kind of deepen it. Okay, so after that, I use my Morphe B84 brush, and I go into the orange color, and that's number 6. It's the orange color, and I just kind of put that right in the center crease in here. And I just blend those two. Making sure you're going in the center here too with the red, keeping it very deep. So I'm packing that in the center, and I'm packing that on the edge, keeping that center empty. I go into a small crease brush from e.l.f. and I go into this deep brown color. I think that's number 5, right there. I go into that and I just put that in the crease just to deepen it a bit. Take a little bit more, deepen this front part too. All those edges are nice and blended. So now I'm going to be using this pink color, this one right here, this red one, and just get a little bit lower to the lid. You can see. Pack that on. Making sure you keep that center clear. And the last part, I use my finger, and I'm going into number, what's that one? 7 right here. And I'm just putting a little bit on my finger like so. And I'm going to put that in the center of the lid. Okay, so now that this is basically it, I'm going to do the other eye, and I'm come back and we're gonna do the foundation. Okay, so now that the second eye is done, I went ahead and put my lashes on, and I'm wearing J Lash number 70. This isn't them, but they're number 702 from J Lash. I got them from the beauty supply, so if you guys don't know that brand, just Google it or something. So yeah, now on the foundation. So you guys already know the routine. I'm going to color correct. Foundation, I'm going to be using my NYX Total Drop Control. Toffee? No. Mahogany? Oopsies. There it is. Get that drop going. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blending brush just to blend that all out. Okay, so on to concealer. So for concealer, I'm going to be using my LA Colors Concealer in Tan. And because I feel like this foundation is a tad bit dark, I'm going to like go in with the concealer. BT dubs. If you don't know, now you know. Go in with your beauty blender. Concealer is on tea and we are lit. So I'm just going to set the areas that I highlight with this setting powder. Make sure to always use a damp beauty blender when applying the setting powder. So now I'm going to contour, and I'm going to use this Black Radiance Powder Contour from light to medium, Morphe B78 brush. And I like to dip into both, just to get color in both. So I'm going to dust off my foundation using this e.l.f. small tapered brush, and then I'm going to set the areas that I set all of my face with this Fit Me powder in golden beige. Using my small crease brush, I'm going to go into this burgundy color in the middle here, and I'm just going to put that wrong time to put this on, but so for blush, I'm going to be using this blush brush, and I'm also going to use this NYX blush in the color Mocha. See, it doesn't give me much color, but it does give me a little bit of warmth on the face. So it's a little guys. This gives you a little bit kind of contours your nose a bit. I don't know, I heard it does. With all the powders in my face, I'm gonna go ahead and spray just so I can get ready to highlights. Okay. Good, face is nice and dewy. So for highlight, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color So Hollywood. See that? Okay, so I'm going to use a dark brown pencil just to line my lips. Now that that's on, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the color Give Me Mocha. Everything is, you know what? We're going to call this a Mocha Smokey. I like it. So that right in there. It's a matte lipstick. Yeah, see that? That is so pretty. There she is. Kind of gives you, see how it like dries down like for a second. When I first bought it, I thought it was super light, and then I wore it one night and it dried down like to this nice. That's all she wrote. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you would like to see me do more tutorials on eye shadow, just please give me a thumbs up or let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to get back to you guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right about now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.